class 9 students, and today, as per your demand and require, I have converted this class as a doubt class of the topic which you have taken in the last 3 or 4 classes of the crash course of surface area and volume. I am very happy that some of you have practiced the questions from NCERT and from R.S. Agrawal and other books in a very sincere way, and you have come up with your doubts. So the first doubt that has been asked by Daud. That is exercise R.S. Agrawal exercise 15A, question number 26. Exercise 15A. This is from R.S. Agrawal, question number 26. It is an interesting question. Now see here. If V is the volume of cuboid of the dimensions A, B, C, and S is the surface area, you have given a cuboid whose dimensions are A, B, C, its length, breadth and heights are given. A, breadth is equal to B and height is equal to C. V represent the volume, S represent the surface area. We have to prove 1 upon V is equal to 2 upon S into 1 upon A plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C. Okay. So we'll start from RHS. That's equal to 2 upon S, 1 upon A plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C. Okay. 2 upon S. LCM is A, B and C. A cancel, then here BC plus BB cancel, here is AC. CC cancel, here is AB. Okay. Now multiply this one. That is equal to 2AB plus BC plus CA upon S into A, B and C. Then this one, numerator, that stands for 2 into length plus length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So this one stands for
breadth and length. No, sorry, height.
This formula stands for which?
TS.
That's equal to surface area. So that stands for S upon S into ABC. ABC stands for volume.
Yes.
S and S cancel. That is equal to 1 upon B is equal to LHS. 2.
Question number 28 of 15.
Question number 28 of 15 DRS Agrawal. Okay. Then this question has been asked by Krish. 15 D, question number 28. This is also from RS Agrawal. This is it has come in CBSE examination, class 10 in 2017. Volume and surface area of a solid hemisphere are numerically equal. What is the diameter of the hemisphere? You have given that volume and surface area of a solid hemisphere. You have given a solid hemisphere. Okay. This is the solid hemisphere. Its volume and surface area are numerically equal. Find the diameter. The volume is equal to its surface area. Its volume is equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. And surface area is equal to 3 pi r
Square.
square.
Yes.
Pi and pi cancel both sides.
Cancel.
Okay. Now here 2r cubed is equal to 3 3 are 9r square. Then r cubed upon r square is equal to 9 upon 2. So r is equal to 9 upon 2. So 2r is equal to 2 into 9 upon 2. So 2r is equal to diameter. So diameter is equal to 9 unit. Okay, it is in centimeter, it is centimeter, it is in meter, it is meter. So in this case, when the volume and the surface area, means TSA of a hemisphere is equal, in that case, the diameter of that hemisphere is 9 units. Any other doubt, बच्चों?
For example.
Already has said that this frustum is not in your syllabus.
So, but Abhipani sir have told that.
Frustum is in class 10. This is not in your syllabus. Any other doubt, girls? अभी कोई doubt है आपको?
NCERT का.
Question number? This question is nothing. You have to do certain calculations. See, this is NCERT. Exercise 30.1. Shanti Sweets stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. Two sizes of boxes are required. The bigger box is the dimensions of 25, 20 and 5. Bigger box, that is equal to 25, 20 and 5 centimeter in height. A smaller box 15, 12 and 5. Smaller box is 15, 12 and 5. For all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required. In all this one, 5% of the TSA is required for overlapping portions. If the cost of cardboard is rupees 4 for 1000 centimeter square, find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 50 boxes of each kind. There are 5 to 6 steps to solve this question. ध्यान से देखिए. Step 1. First you find that TSA of one big box, that is equal to 2 into LB plus B into H plus H into L. Okay. TSA of एक small box, that's equal to 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length, centimeter square. Equation number 1, equation number 2. अब ध्यान से देखिए, TSA of 250 for big and small, small. क्या लिखेगा 250 into equation 1 plus equation 2. Okay? Suppose this is the equation number 3. इसको सॉल्व करोगे तो आपको इक्वेशन आएगा. एक कंडीशन इसमें और दे रहा है बच्चों, जब आप देखिएगा मिठाई का डब्बा बनता है तो कुछ पोर्शन क्या होता है ओवरलैप होता है, ठीक है ना। तो जो ये दिस एरिया इज द एरिया ऑफ द कार्डबोर्ड विच इज कवरिंग द बॉक्स। ओवरलैप पोर्शन इसमें नहीं हुआ। ओवरलैप पोर्शन का मेजरमेंट क्या दे रहा है हमको? 5%। दैट फॉर ऑल द ओवरलैप 5% ऑफ द TSA इज रिक्वायर्ड एक्स्ट्रा। एक्स्ट्रा कार्डबोर्ड कितना हो जाएगा हमारा? 5%। क्या देखिए, एक्स्ट्रा कार्डबोर्ड, एक्स्ट्रा कार्डबोर्ड नहीं लिखेगा, अब यहाँ लिखेगा
ओवरलैप कार्डबोर्ड।
TSA ऑफ टोटल कार्डबोर्ड, TSA ऑफ टोटल कार्डबोर्ड। इसका वैल्यू मान लीजिए आपके पास x आएगा, ठीक है ना। तब यहाँ का निकाल लीजिएगा 105% ऑफ x, बिकॉज दिस इज 100%, इसमें 5% एक्स्ट्रा हो गया। इसका वैल्यू मान लीजिए आपके पास आया y सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर आया आपके पास, ठीक है ना। अब कॉस्ट कैसे निकालिएगा? सिंस 1000 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर कॉस्ट ₹4, 1 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर कॉस्ट ₹4 upon 1000, so y सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर कॉस्ट ₹4 into y upon 1000 rupees. So this is step 1, this is step 2, this is step 3, this is step 4, and this is step 5. There are 5 steps to solve this question. In this question there is no trick behind that one. Only you have to do the calculation step by step, but very carefully. Only then you will get the correct answer. If you miss any steps here, if you do any miscalculation here and carry on that miscalculation by doing the correct calculation, you will get wrong answer. मैथ्स में यही चीज है बच्चों, अगर शुरुआत में आप गलत कुछ कर दिए और गलत करने के बाद उसके बाद सारे स्टेप्स को सही किए तो आपका रिजल्ट क्या आएगा? गलत। लेकिन हिस्ट्री, सिविक, ज्योग्राफी वगैरह में अगर एक स्टेटमेंट गलत लिख दिया उसके बाद वाला स्टेटमेंट सही लिख दिया तो आपका सारा आंसर करेक्ट है। So this is the difference between mathematics and other subject, literature subject. I am not telling that other subjects are less important, but in mathematics you have to keep your concentration or calculation in a very correct way, 100% correct. God bless you.